Hi everyone, welcome to the preamble for the screencast for this week. Here we are in week 6. Hard to believe that it's already this far along. I'm not sure where this semester is going, but what I wanted to do is very quickly give you some amended directions. Okay, I was going back through and watching the screencast for this week, and I give directions on there on how to get someplace, and those directions are still valid. It just looks different. The website's been updated, so I wanted to walk you through that very quickly. So here we are in week 6, okay? Yes, more autoethnography this week. You're doing such a good job with your autoethnographies. You're doing such a good job with your journals and the discussion boards. Please keep it coming. The work is really, really good. What I want to talk about specifically, though, is right here. So first of all, this screencast you are watching right now that I'm recording will show up right here, and you'll click it first, I hope. And then you'll watch this week's 6 screencast. So come down here, though. Here we are with our first discussion board, and you'll read the directions, okay? But essentially this week, there's less screencast and more you engaging examples of autoethnography written by undergraduate students. And so you will get to see that by clicking here. Now, follow me here, okay? You click this, and the site looks different. The directions I have in the original screencast, which was up here, you can still get to this just fine, but watch this. So you click here, and it looks like this, okay? What you're going to want to do is once you click that and you get here, you just scroll down, and what you need is right here, the autoethnography 10 examples, okay? You click this, and there are 10 example autoethnographies written by undergraduate students, okay? Now, in the previous, but it'll be the one after this. We're in a time warp. In the original screencast, it's these same autoethnographies, okay? And I go into the difference between self-as site and self-in site. And I tell you that these are self-in site and that yours is self-as site. Watch the screencast that comes after this. I explain all of this, okay? But you're going to pick 2 of these to read. They're relatively short reads. And then you're going to answer questions in both discussion boards based on the 2 different readings. So you're going to read one reading, do a discussion board, read another reading, do another discussion board, okay? And so you get to pick which ones you want to read. They're all really interesting in their own ways. I've learned things about I did not know what bronies were until I read Friendship is Magic. So anyway, that's that, folks. This is how you get to that. It looks very different in the original screencast, okay? And then secondly, also in the original screencast, and I know I've done this in prior screencasts, but I just want to say it again and reiterate, even though I talk about 2 journals at the end of that original screencast, there are not 2 journals, okay? You have 1 journal every week, and your journal for this week is this one right here, okay? So this is the 1 journal for this week. It's the only journal for this week. There are not 2 journals, okay? So hey, I really am enjoying reading all of your work and everything you're doing in the discussion boards, all of your journals, and I will see you in the boards where we will be discussing what your experience was reading these autoethnographies.